Hi everyone, I'm here at NVIDIA GTC, meeting people as they're walking around and asking them a few questions about AI. Nice to meet you, Matt. In 20 seconds, can you tell me what you do?
Basically, I piece together everything that all these, wonderful people build to make our assembly line a lot more automated and safer.
What does your company build?
We make building products mostly for outdoor venues, decking, fencing, railings, commercial as well as residential stuff, Vision BP, and Fairway Aluminum Solutions.
What does a decking company use AI for?
Monitoring all our processes and making sure that we have the highest efficiency possible.
Fantastic.
And we look to scale out and just really grow with the industry.
So are you an AI engineer?
Yes, new on the scene. Yeah.
What was that transition like?
Terrible. Like I said, drinking straight out of the fire hose and just absorbing whatever I can while I'm here.
What were you doing before you were an AI engineer?
I was just doing help desk at first, and then I moved into more of like admin role.
Yeah.
I was looking at security, but I really didn't think security was the direction I wanted to go. And
Sure.
I kind of landed here, honestly. I feel like a lot of people have just kind of landed here.
I'm a software engineer as well. What tooling do you use on a day-to-day basis?
We use a lot of JetBrains or Microsoft Studio for most of our development.
Does Microsoft Studio have like Copilot, or you're using a little bit of that?
A little bit of that, but honestly, we just use whatever's hot at the moment for looking up stuff. We have some of the integration in, but it really doesn't, I don't know. It speeds certain things up, but not everything.
Right on. What are you most excited about from the conference so far? What are the things in the keynote that caught your attention?
Really, it's Omniverse. It's the digital twin. It's making a replication of everything that we are doing and every process that we are doing. We look forward to being able to solve as many situations as we can through, finding waste in our production lines. So.
Yeah. And you can do it digitally first. You don't have to break real stuff.
Yes, and if we want to change stuff, we can do it on the fly.
Oh yeah.
We can kind of see what things are going to look like before we actually do them and potentially make bad decisions.
Yeah. Do you use some of the open source libraries that NVIDIA has?
Yes, CUDA. Yeah, absolutely. We are still trying to get all of our systems onto the newer versions of CUDA, but yes.
That's great, man. Well, thank you for spending a minute with me. Sorry I interrupted your work. You're actually working here. That's amazing.
You got to do it when you can.
Nice meeting you, Matt.
Absolutely.
Have a good conference.
Appreciate your time. Thank you.